Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how do I make this poster using my phone and only Canva application. And first, open your Canva and then make a new project like this, and then add an image that you want to edit. And then I already prepared this image. And now on the toolbar, you can open the apps that's called Phone Frame. And if you don't have the apps onto this toolbar, you can click the apps button here and then type it and then click phone frame. And after you open the application, after you open the apps phone frame, then click the image like this, click it and then open the apps one more time, and then click use selected image to convert the image onto a background of the text here. And now you can adjust the positioning of the image like this. For example, I'll try this one and then type summer like this, and then change the font onto 6 caps like this, or maybe you can use another font that you want to use. And I think I will change the font onto this IBM Flex. And then for the frame bar border, you can decrease it to 0 like this. Then for the letter spacing, we need to decrease the letter spacing to, and then add to the design like this. And after that, wait for a moment. Okay, and after you adding the design onto the the project, you can delete this image, delete. And then as you can see, now the text is already here onto this project. And after that, wait for a moment, let me adjust the size of it. And now swipe left the toolbar and then add the elements. Now the elements that you need to add is a frame, this one, and then adjust the size of the frame and make sure that you put it on you put it on the bottom like this, and make sure the size of the frame is as same as the text. And after that, you can add the image onto this frame. Just duplicate it, then put it here, duplicate it one more time, adjust the size. Then after that, I think I will try to adjust the length of the frame like this to make the frame has a kind of like stack like this. And after that, don't forget to click layers and then move the text on front of the frame, like this. And after that, double tap on the frame and we can adjust the image like this. I think I will try to use this one and then this one more time. Okay, this one again. Okay, one more time. Again, and make sure you adjust the position of the image on the frame, on each frame like this. And after that, we can change the background color onto black color like this. And now click layers and then select all of the object like this, and then group. And after that, adjust the position of it, then ungroup. And now on the text, click the text, add an effect. Now you need to add a shadow effect, then add a drop like this. And for the blur amount, you can decrease it to 10, and for the angle, you need to decrease it to 60 like this. And for the intensity, you need to increase it to until 100. And after that, now you will get this result. And if you want to adding a shadow effect onto each frame like this one, you can adding it by following the first tips on the text design like that. And after that, you can add one more text. For example, I will add festival like this, then change the font I think I will change it onto this one. And after that, wait for a moment, click the font, because this font is cannot get bold, so we need to add an effect. So we will use this effect, hollow effect, and then you need to increase the thickness of it. And now for the spacing, you need to increase the spacing like this, and after that you can change the color of the text like this. And after that you can add a text one more time, and then for example I will add a date and month and year like this, and click it, change the font of this text onto, I think I will use this Futura Black, this one. So this is the result that you got, and that's the way how to make a poster like this on Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.